A blistering indictment today of the military's resistance to change.
What's happening in the military system is not sustainable.
Former Supreme Court Justice Louise Arbour's review found the military is incapable of recognizing its own weaknesses, and that's kept sexual violence, misogyny, and harassment alive. She's now calling for a major overhaul, including stripping the forces of the power to investigate and prosecute sexual offenses.
The handling of sexual offenses by military court in the past 20 years has done very little to improve efficiency, discipline, and morale. If anything, it has served to erode it.
Arbour also has serious concerns about military colleges and recommends the forces review whether they do more harm than good.
The continued prevalence of sexual misconduct at the military colleges is well documented, and I think it's harder to address these issues there than in a civilian environment.
I accept Madame Arbour's final report in its entirety.
The government says it already started moving forward on 17 of Arbour's 48 recommendations and will review the rest. The force's top soldier says this time the military has to respond differently.
Perhaps what has happened in the past is we've been too defensive when we've had an external set of eyes on us.
Experts say after more than a year of unrelenting scandal, the military's credibility is at stake.
I think how the Canadian Defence Forces and the minister responds to this report will help to either instill confidence or break that confidence and further erode that confidence.
I remain cautious in my optimism.
Former Navy member Dawn McAmoyle says she's been waiting for culture change since going public in 1998, saying the military failed to properly handle her rape case.
It's getting tiring. I need to see some of these implemented right away and, actions taken right away.
That's a concern Arbour has too. She says she wants to know within the next year what recommendations the military won't implement, and says there are hundreds of others from past reviews that are still in limbo.
Okay, now Ashley, based on Arbour's interim recommendation, the government had already started work to transfer sexual offenses to the civilian system. Can you tell us where that stands?
Andrew, we have been asking the military for months now how many cases of sexual offenses they have transferred to civilian police. Today, still no answer. Arbour said that there are on average about 30 sexual offense cases in the military a year, compared to more than 2,000 in the civilian system, arguing that it shouldn't be much of a workload increase for police.
Ashley Burke, thank you very much.